Ever wondered how starchy roots become this essential powder?
What's the hidden nutrition in this everyday staple?
Check out this massive throughput in action.
How do rough roots transform into pure flour?
One big issue here is unwanted moisture. Why? This hero machine changes everything. Guess how?
Where do these roots come from before the magic?
Pull harder on that side. Move the full crates out now. Let's clear this section quickly.
Lift it up high now, watch your backs. All right, bring it over here. Easy, easy. Set it down right there.
Now these roots head to Transformation Central.
Careful, it's shifting! Slow down, slow down!
Right there. All right, all clear. Come on in.
What's next for these arriving roots?
All right, keep it coming straight back. Hold it and stop right there. All right, lift it up and slide it across. Next one coming out. Receiving complete. Process begins now. These roots are now spotless, ready for the next big step. Shine the light further down, right there. The alignment looks good. Okay. Copy that. Looks clear.
How clean do these roots really need to be?
Washing complete. Now the real separation begins.
Precision sorting ensures only the best move forward. Hey man, what happens when these perfect roots reach the core transformation?
Sorting complete. Now the hero process awaits.
This is where the real magic of separation happens.
Levels on tank 4 are stabilizing.
Good. Maintain the flow rate for the next 10 minutes.
How does heat turn this paste into fine flour?
Core transformation finished. Pure cassava flour achieved.
From root to this fine powder, quality never compromised.
Stack that one tighter to the left.
Okay, got it.
Watch out, coming through with the lift.
Ready for the world. How much of this process surprised you?
Keep them moving steady. Watch the merge point.
Copy that. Flow looks good.
Quality control passed. Packaged, perfection achieved.
All right, bring it up. Keep coming. A little forward now. And steady. Set it down. Good to go.
Hold it steady. Looks good. Strap secured. All clear. Okay, it's in. All right, bring it straight back. Straight back, hold it. And stop, right there. All right, set it down. Pull forward slow. Clear. All right, give it everything you got. Set the bar high on this side.
from humble roots to global staple. Ready for delivery.
Is this one wrapped yet?
Almost, just finishing the top layer.
Watch out, forklift coming through.
That's the complete journey. Cassava roots to pure packaged flour.